Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and book seats on American Airlines. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your official website of American Airlines. And here in this section, simply go ahead, enter the information of your flight, enter the information accordingly, and tap on the search icon. Once you have got this search option for available flights on the date that you have added, simply go ahead and choose one flight for you. And now tap on this accept restriction. And here in this section, you will be able to see the information regarding your booking. Simply go ahead, tap on this move. Now go ahead, tap on stay in main. For now I'm just going to choose randomly just to show you. And here in this section we are here. Once you're done, simply go all the way to the bottom and tap on continue as guest. You can choose to log in and continue if you're the regular customer. And then here in this section, all you have to do is simply again check out the offers, passenger details. Simply enter the information as it asks correctly and tap on this continue. And once you have tapped on this continue option, you will be able to choose a seat for yourself. You will be able to find which will color wise. Also, they will prioritize the seats that are available and that are booked, and unavailable ones, all you have to do is tap on the particular seat that you would like to among the available ones. Once you're done, you will be able to simply book it and pay for it along for your tickets and simply for the flight of yours, including the ticket and stuff, and you're good to go. That is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.